The year was 1957, a year that would forever be etched in the memories of the people of Valencia. The Turia River, normally a gentle presence in Valencia, Spain, transformed into a raging torrent, an unstoppable force of nature. Heavy rains had engorged the river, causing it to overflow its banks and surge into the city. Homes were destroyed, lives were upended, and the very fabric of the community was torn apart. Businesses were swallowed by the floodwaters, leaving livelihoods in ruins and dreams shattered. The heart of Valencia was left in ruins, a stark reminder of the vulnerability of human settlements against the forces of nature. The people of Valencia were devastated, their beloved city scarred by the relentless waters. Their beloved city was scarred, but the spirit of the community remained unbroken. Yet even in the face of immense loss, a spirit of resilience began to emerge. Neighbors helped neighbors, and the community came together to begin the arduous task of rebuilding. They were determined to rebuild, to restore what had been lost, and to create a safer future for their children. And they would find an extraordinary way to prevent such a tragedy from happening again. Innovative civil engineering projects were planned and executed. The flood had been a stark reminder of the power of nature, a force that could not be ignored or underestimated. It also highlighted the urgent need for a new approach to the Turia River, one that would protect the city from future floods. The decision was made. The river would be rerouted, bypassing the city centre entirely, ensuring that such a catastrophe would never happen again. Rerouting the Turia was a monumental task, one that required immense effort and coordination. It was a testament to the city's commitment to protecting its future, ensuring the safety and well-being of its residents. The river was diverted south of the city, creating a new channel that flowed safely into the Mediterranean Sea, preventing future floods. The ambitious project took years of meticulous planning and construction, involving engineers, architects, and countless workers. Slowly, a sense of hope began to blossom alongside the physical transformation, as the community came together to create something new. The once menacing river now flowed peacefully away from the city, its new path lined with greenery and tranquility. And in its place lay a unique opportunity, a blank canvas in the heart of Valencia, which would soon become the beloved Turia Gardens. What could be done with the dry riverbed that now snaked through the city? The people of Valencia envisioned something extraordinary. Instead of concrete and buildings, they would create a green oasis, the Turia Gardens. The project captured the imagination of the city. Architects, landscape designers, and the community came together. They transformed the riverbed into a verdant park, a 9-kilometer ribbon of green meandering through the urban landscape. Today, the Turia Gardens are a testament to the vision and resilience of Valencia. Once a riverbed, this space has been transformed into a lush green haven that stretches for miles through the city. The park is a thriving ecosystem of life and leisure. It is home to a diverse array of plants and flowers, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors and scents that change with the seasons. Families stroll along its paths, enjoying the serene environment. The gardens offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, providing a peaceful retreat for all ages. Cyclists glide beneath the shade of trees, finding both exercise and relaxation in this urban oasis. The well-maintained paths are ideal for both casual riders and serious cyclists. The gardens are home to sports fields, playgrounds, and tranquil ponds. These areas provide spaces for children to play, athletes to train, and everyone to enjoy the beauty of nature. Cultural attractions have also found a home here. From open-air concerts to art installations, the gardens are a hub of cultural activity, enriching the community's social fabric. The City of Arts and Sciences, with its futuristic architecture, stands as a beacon of innovation and creativity. This iconic landmark is a testament to Valencia's forward-thinking spirit. The Turia Gardens are a symbol of rebirth. They represent the city's ability to turn a natural disaster into an opportunity for growth and renewal. They are a testament to the enduring spirit of a community that turned tragedy into triumph. The gardens are a place where people come together to celebrate life and build lasting memories. From the ashes of devastation, Valencia has created a vibrant green heart, a testament to the power of human resilience and the transformative beauty of nature. The Turia Gardens stand as a living monument to what can be achieved when a community unites with a shared vision.